This video is to explain how Mrs. Sarabone marks assessments and pretests. Rather than marking the questions that are wrong, I always mark the questions that are correct. So you can see for number 1, this person had to write the equation of a new line. He answered correctly, and therefore there is 1 check mark here because this question is worth 1 point. You can see on number 2, there are no check marks. This question was actually worth 2 points, no check marks, no credit for that question. Same thing with number 3, no check marks, no credit for that question. But lots of feedback so that this person knows how to make changes and do better in the future. Question 4 and 5 were worth 2 points, so you can see 2 check marks here. All of this together is worth 2. This person answered both questions and all parts of them correctly. Number 6, even though there's 3 things to write in, it's only worth 1 point, and this person chose all of the correct graphs. Number 7 was worth 2 points. This person, from their work, I can tell you that he knew what he was doing, but he made a calculation error here. 3 divided by 1.5 is not 1.5, it's 2. But based on his work, that was the only thing that was wrong. So I was able to give him partial credit for this. There's no check mark here because it wasn't a full credit for what he did, but there is 1.5 out of 2 for this question. And for number 8, this question was answered correctly in its entirety. It was worth 2 points. There are 2 check marks there. So what I do is I take the total on each page. For this page, it was 1.5 and 2, and that total is 3.5, and that's what goes in the corner. Then I look at the corner of each page at the totals. This page had 1, this page had 3, this page had 3.5. All together, that's 7.5 out of 12 points. Think about what percent that is, 7.5 out of 12 points. What range does that fall in for our scale? That is a 63%. That is in the weak proficiency range, and so therefore the WP is circled. And what you'll see on PowerSchool isn't 7.5, it isn't the 63%. What you'll see on PowerSchool is a 2.8, which indicates weak proficiency. And of course, this is a pretest, so whoever's test this is can learn from their mistakes, do some extra practice, and totally get a better score on the assessment. Thanks for watching.